Hi there and welcome to this episode of Fishing with Jim, and today I'm super excited because I'm on the Murrumbidgee River in New South Wales, Australia. Going to be doing some kayak fishing for yellow belly perch and Murray Cod. So I'm hoping we can catch something to show you. It's a great location. As you can see, the conditions are really dry, but we've got a lot of water in the river anyway, so that's cool. We're going to be using spinners and lures to see if we can catch a cod or a yellow belly, and I can't wait to get in there and see how it all goes. We were lucky enough to come down onto private property to get access to the river here. As you can see, it's a beautiful location, very dry hills in the background there, but looking forward to getting out on the kayak. So we're going to be using the boomerang, and it's a kind of a dark pattern, but it's got a bit of pink in there as well, and it's medium diving, I think. Seen a really big fish just jump in over by the bank, so I'm hoping I might be able to actually cast into where it splashed. So you can probably see there's a bush just over there. I need to cast a bit further than that. I think ideally underneath that bush would be good.
We are fishing a section of the Murrumbidgee above Lake Burrinjack. The river flows through ACT and then eventually joins the Murray River, which is Australia's longest river.
That was definitely a good sized fish, that one. Let's see how close we can get. You might be able to see up there, there's I think it's an eagle or a hawk flying around. They do actually have, that must be the partner maybe, or the other one. They do actually have fish eating eagles here, I think. So whether those are the same ones, I don't know, but great to see a bit of wildlife. Not sure if you can see, but there's a fish literally about 10 feet in front of us. So which is kind of why I got out of the boat. I'd rather be able to see the fish that I was targeting. Just going to change the pattern of lure that I'm using. I've currently got a little pink, purple and kind of pink pattern, but it's a bit of a darker pattern. So I'm just going to change that out and put on a smaller pattern. So hopefully it should go a little bit shallower. And bright pink seems to be working quite well apparently, so we're going to give that a bash. I'm just going to go over where we saw that big fish jump and see if I can spot some fish, but I think I might actually try spotting fish from the bank. I think that might be an easier option. That big hole up there on the bank that you can see is a wombat hole. So, and actually right down below it you might be able to see a lizard. So we'll just see if we can get close to it. and it's a real bluey striped lizard, about 10 feet away from us. Very cool. One thing about Australia is there's definitely a lot of wildlife here. I'm a little bit conscious that there's potentially brown snakes around here, so just something to think about when we're walking around. So a lot of structure here, so a real serious chance of getting snagged. Right, that's not what I was wanting. I'm assuming we've got the end of the log out there, so I'm going to have to bring the kayak round and see if we can get it off. We're back in the kayak. We've got the snag off, which is great because these lures are expensive, and we're back fishing again. So just drifting across that same area where we saw the fish jump back in our very first drift. Looks like it's a good sized fish. Either that or it's a big snag. But we'll go and take a look, see if it needs the landing net. Do you want the landing net, Al? Is it? Do you want me to net them? You can get them close to the surface, I should be able to. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, he's gone. It's Moby Dick.
He's a big one, isn't he?
It's big, alright.
That's a cool big one. He's a big one, isn't he?
Looks like Big Al's got another big carp. No, not that I could tell, put it that way. I caught quite a few snags, but no obvious strikes. There we go.
Nowhere near as big as that one. Baby.
Oh.
Only a baby.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that fishing adventure on the Murrumbidgee River in New South Wales, Australia. Although we didn't catch target species, we saw some really large carp, quite a few carp jumping in the river as well. And it's a beautiful spot down here to do a bit of bank fishing and kayak fishing. Really enjoyed myself. I'd love to know what your favourite river fishing spot is, or where you have a place to go. Leave your comments below. And if this is your first time watching Fishing with Jim, then I'd love you to subscribe for more fishing adventures, fishing tips and tricks, and to follow my fishing journey. Thanks for watching this episode of Fishing with Jim.